everyone, welcome back to Super Tech Service. This is Brian, and we have another cool video for you. On today's quick video, we're going to show you how to change the manual bypass rollers on a C750i. This applies also to other various models like the C550i as well. So we're just going to go ahead and open the door, show you guys how to remove and replace the manual bypass rollers. Stay tuned. First, go ahead and open up the side door like so. Then we're going to go ahead and swing around here. And you're going to see, if you aim downward here, we have a little screw right there that we're going to go ahead and remove first. So let's do that. Let's make sure we open up this transfer unit, the second transfer unit, and just close that like so, so we have more room here. And then we're just going to go ahead and remove this screw. When you remove this screw, there's a cover and a connector. Okay, here's the screw. Here's the cover. Just be gentle, there's a wire underneath, so you're going to want to make sure that you don't. There you go. Next, we're going to remove two screws, one there and one right here. Now we'll remove this plate, and you'll have to jiggle it free. It's definitely in there. All right, just like that. Just take your time, and there's a little wire harness here, so make sure you separate that like so. Be gentle. Okay, now we'll go ahead and remove this bushing here, and this should allow us to separate the unit. You can reach your hand around on the other side. Okay, so this assembly here, you'll just snap it out and then slide it over. So you can see that's how it looks. So just snap it out and then slide that side out. Okay, now we can remove this roller here. Just make sure you're careful. There's a pin right there, and that can fall, and probably will fall. So use a magnetizer tip or place a cloth here, or just kind of reach your hand in like me and grab that pin out just so it doesn't fall. And then we can remove this roller. Now we can remove the separation roller. All right, we'll start with the separation roller. This one looks really good. I'm just showing you how to replace it. So there will be a little clip on the inside of here. They've had this style for a while. Yeah, that rhymes. Style for a while. So I just kind of hold one end with my finger and the other end just pull down. And then you'll see it'll come loose like so. So the new one you have, you'll just go ahead and replace it. Okay, just make sure the flat side goes in. And snap it in place. As for the pickup roller, you can see there's a little clip. Just kind of rotate it around, pop it out. Next up, one more C-clip. Pop that out. The gear will come out. Shaft. Another gear. And your roller. Now let's reassemble the separation unit. We got the roller, we got our gear. Gonna get that in place first. Meshing them in place. And then you're gonna slide the shaft in. Jiggle it as much as you need to. And then get this little part here to go in place. So it should be all the way flush. You'll know because you'll see that little groove exposed, and then we can put our clip back in. Snap that into place first. Nice. And then this gear here and another clip. Okay. Okay, now we have all of our rollers in place. Let's get it back into the machine. Alright, let's place a towel down here so that I don't drop the pin into oblivion. Let's place the pin in horizontally. Note from the manual, make sure that this side here is above the solenoid lever. If it's not, it won't be able to lift. So just make a note of that. Cool. Snapped it back in. Alright, now let's put the bushing in. Okay, once it's in place, just use your finger to press it all the way in. Okay, one more screw. Okay, all done. Counter, life, manual tray. So you can go ahead and clear those. Copy, bypass. I like it, like it, like it. There it is, how to change the manual bypass rollers on the Konica C750i. We'll see you guys on the next video.